Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at an interesting exponential math problem. We need to solve the equation 2 to the power x plus x equals 11. So the question is, what is the value of x? Let's start with quick guessing to get an idea. If you try x equals 1, then 2 to the power 1 plus 1 equals 3, which is not 11. If you try x equals 2, then 2 squared plus 2 equals 4 plus 2 equals 6, still not 11. But if you test x equals 3, then 2 cubed equals 8, and 8 plus 3 equals 11. So x equals 3 works. Now let's see how we can solve this properly, step by step. Our equation is 2 to the power x plus x equals 11. First, move x to the right-hand side. 2 to the power x equals 11 minus x. Now divide both sides by 2 to the x. 2 to the x divided by 2 to the x equals 11 minus x divided by 2 to the x. This simplifies to 1 equals 11 minus x times 2 to the minus x. Using the exponential identity, 1 over a to the n equals a to the minus n, we rewrite the expression and keep 11 minus x times 2 to the minus x equals 1. To prepare this for the Lambert 1 function, multiply both sides by 2 to the 11th. So 11 minus x times 2 to the minus x times 2 to the 11th equals 2 to the 11th. Using the rule a to the m times a to the n equals a to the m plus n, the exponent combines to 2 to the 11 minus x. So we have 11 minus x times 2 to the 11 minus x equals 2 to the 11th. Now convert the base 2 exponent into exponential form using e to the power ln a equals a. So 2 to the 11 minus x becomes e to the 11 minus x times ln 2. Our expression becomes 11 minus x times e to the 11 minus x times ln 2 equals 2 to the 11th. To match the Lambert 1 format, a times e to the a, multiply both sides by ln 2. So 11 minus x times ln 2 times e to the 11 minus x times ln 2 equals 2 to the 11th times ln 2. Now both sides are in the perfect structure for the Lambert 1 function. So apply Lambert 1 to both sides. W of 11 minus x times ln 2 times e to the 11 minus x times ln 2. W of 2 to the 11th times ln 2. By the property of the Lambert 1 function, a times e to the a transforms to a, the left side simplifies to 11 minus x ln 2, and the right side becomes 8 times ln 2. ln 2 cancels out, leaving 11 minus x equals 8. So x equals 11 minus 8 equals 3. This confirms the solution we found earlier by testing values. Let's verify. 2 cubed plus 3 equals 8 plus 3 equals 11. Everything checks out. So the final answer is x equals 3.